σας παιδιά, σήμερα θα κάνουμε το squish. Και σήμερα θα έχω την Zoe. Θα την φωνάξω σε λίγο. Κάντε subscribe και... Zoe!
Τι!
Έλα εδώ!
Γιατί!
Να κάνουμε βίντεο!
Εντάξει! Έρχομαι!
Εντάξει!
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
Look at this!
Squishy.
Very ζωριάδο.
Hey! Έχω το δικά μου squishy το.
$2. This is $3. It's a ball. See this shit. Oh my god. I'm so excited to remove it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It not bounce only a little. Look at this shit. Wait, I'm gonna see the size. Look at the size. God. The cheese is winning. Smell it.
Περίμενε, αυτό είναι... Το βοηθήσεις.
It's so smell good and it's soft. Ah, what the heck?
It's soft there.
Smell. Yeah, he's happy. Oh, smell.
Oh my gosh.
The ball. Squishy. Yeah, squishy.
This is very soft and I found it per shop.
This Zoe made it.
Yeah.
But this one she buy it. Yay!
Yeah.
Down below, make like.
I
Subscribe.
This plastic I just already do it. The plastic.
Watch all our videos.
Yeah.
We will gonna do YouTube in some days.
Yep.
Write in the comments if you want to continue squishy
Yeah. And Charlie
and
Bloody
bottle
Mary.
and bottle flip challenge.
Yep.
This is a bat. Look at the
Later
bat.
we're gonna buy something.
Yeah, we will gonna buy something.
Yeah.
$3 a basketball ball and $2 a cheese. What the heck? So subscribe please.
Wait, look.
Subscribe. Just wait a minute.
Wait.
What the freak?